those guidelines, the formal assignment, the timeline for composition, those thought questions, a breakdown of the limits, the purpose, audience expectations, those details about the thesis statement, the topic sentence claims, and the supporting evidence. With all of that in mind, use those kind of ideas as you start reading through Jib Fowles' essay, Advertising's 15 Basic Appeals. This text is going to serve as a model for the kind of writing that you're going to try to attempt in essay number 1. So as you read, of course, annotate for comprehension, annotate to respond with your own ideas, but also pay special attention to any time that this author is expressing a component of the 3-part thesis statement. So if he expresses his overall judgment about advertisements, if he expresses some type of overview of the sources that he's going to look at, or the context that he's engaged in, or if he is linking his ideas to some larger significance, note those in your text. Number 2, if the author is, when the author is, offering analytic claims that link a rhetorical strategy from an advertisement to a psychological message, or what we're calling a semiological association, make a note of that as well. So anytime that this author is saying, this type of advertisement signifies something greater than itself. Number 3, mark any examples of interpretation. So this essay that you will read is short on interpretation, but when there is any interpretation, maybe make a note of that. If he's talking about the denotative or connotative layers of meaning. If this author offers any critique of evidence, if he's evaluating and judging his evidence, make a note of that. And then also if he offers analysis. So is he inferring the underlying assumptions, which he does a good amount, or is he implying extended consequences? Make a note of those modes of thinking and writing as well. All right, that's it for this assignment overview. Please go back through each component and share your questions, respond to prompts that ask you to share your thoughts, talk about what kind of advertisements you might get into, what kind of significances you might want to point at, what kind of lenses you want to try on. So keep this copy present with you as you do your research and writing, and engage in the discussion by asking questions and clarifying these ideas. Afterward, let's move on to an overview of the rubric for this assignment.